Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're already subscribed. It's 4:30 in the morning. I'm trying to get on this catfish bite, early morning catfish bite, because midday it's just been way too hot to be filming and fishing. So let's hope I can get it done today, y'all. So I got some cut up perch right here, bluegill heads. From my previous video, I saved the heads. You know, I don't ever throw away the heads. I always use them for some kind of bait. This part of the river has so much gar. Beautiful though, right? Look at that sunrise. I mean, nothing beats this in the morning. There we go. Got him. Thanks. Yeah, I got him. Finally, I knew the morning bite would be pretty good. That's definitely a catfish. It feels exactly like a catfish. Ooh, good size one too, probably. I mean, look at my rod. Hopefully it's a flathead. Get my darn phone so I get some footage of this. I knew the morning bite would be pretty good. Boy, he's hooked on there good. It's heading right for the shore. Pretty good sized fish, whatever this is. I think that might be a gar. There's another gar following it. Ooh, boy, that big old gar. He's a good 4 to 5 foot. It's gonna be a long fight, y'all. Oh. little snag down there. Ooh, that's a big old gar over there. That's got to be a six footer right there. Oh yeah, this one's just fat. I've seen him. Turn off my clicker here. Yeah, he's got me in a snag right here. I'm gonna let him loose. See where he goes. There he goes. Got him loose. Good sized gar. Hopefully I can get them up to shore here to show you guys. It's definitely around like a snag down there. Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel that sump. There you go, he's loose. He's loose. Should be coming up here for y'all to see. Oh, never mind. There he is. He's a big one. I mean, he's tired. I got him at the corner of the mouth. Perfect. He's a good 5 foot. Yeah, he's a 5 footer. Oh, he let go of it. He let go of it. There he goes, y'all. Nice and safe. That was a pretty cool fight. Not even gonna lie. He got me wrapped up a little bit, but got a nice fight out of that one, huh? Got my bait still. That was worth the morning right there. That was worth waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Wish y'all could see all them gar surfacing, gulping for air, and I think they're spawning. I mean, there's a ton of them, hundreds of them, right in front of me. So, of course, I was gonna hook on to something good, but that's not what I'm after. I'm after some catfish, y'all. It's been hard. It's been tough. It seems like it's been tough for everybody else too. You know, we're not seeing them numbers that like we used to. Beautiful day, beautiful morning. Right here, right when I'm cooking sausage. Oh, I lost him. So I got some Italian sausage right here, made locally. I brought my fishing pole closer to me. Instead of me jumping off the truck and chasing after it, I could just get it right here. Give me a thumbs up if y'all like this kind of fishing and cooking. Right next to the river. I mean, I love this. I've been doing this for a long time. Just now I've gotten onto YouTube. I got some onions right here, just some sliced onions. Got some bell pepper right here. Got some garlic here. Got my own blend of seasonings right here. Also has some salt and pepper in it, garlic. Season up real good. Got some of this Ragu chunky, super chunky mushroom sauce. A little bit of that in there. Gonna season it a little bit more. Cook that off for a few minutes, and we'll be having breakfast here soon. Well, I got a bite right here. Now that's a fish right there. Of course, while I'm cooking, right? All right. Got him. I think I got him. Whoa, he let go of it. All right, y'all, let's dig in. Sorry it's a little windy, so just bear with me now. Nice and finished, and the smell of it, oh man. This doesn't really get any better than this, right? Check that out, y'all. Now this is gonna be so good because I'm hungry. All right, y'all. I'm gonna fish a little bit longer, see if I can get a bite. Hey, y'all. So I didn't end up with anything after that. I wish I would have brought home a trainer full of fish, but it don't always work like that. If y'all like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. I'm already halfway to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. And thank you for all the wonderful comments I've been receiving. Y'all are awesome. Stay tuned, y'all. I got more content on the way.